Hey there. I just ordered the new DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo because I'm having a really good time with this channel, with the comments, with creating content, and I thought this was a nice next step. I got a great deal on this, and I thought it'd be great to unbox it because that's what I've been doing lately. So I did take off the little green thing that lets the box open, and I thought I'd open the other stuff on camera. So I got the Creator Combo, which comes with some casework, and then this feels like a sleeve. So it feels protective, so I'm going to assume it's in here. Oh, this is really cool already. Look at this. And then that zips open. Let's zip that. Oh, and it's very cool. And this is the DJI Cosmo. Oh, that looks really, really cool. I'm very excited for this. Then I'll flip, turns right on, and then it comes with, I'm going to set that aside for a minute. It comes with battery stuff, little microphone, and charging stuff. So everything I could want to create new content for this channel, which is exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to set this up, I'm going to try it out, I'm going to see how it works, and I will let you know.